Hey guys, let's start working with this beautiful photo taken on the Hawaii island. So we have a ocean, shore, and some greenery on the right hand side. Let's check the overall exposure of the picture. As you see, most of the picture is pretty much dark and the waves are the bright part of the image. And this is usually the biggest problem with such image, that you need to compensate and create a nice contrast in the picture, but still get the details of this white part. Okay, so let's a little clarity, put blacks a little lower. I want to have the shore as dark as possible, as black as possible. What if we touch whites? As you see, we immediately overexpose them. So let's keep it that way. Highlights the same. We're touching highlights and immediately we are overexposing the picture. So, okay, and a little more texture. This is the picture that I want, a lot of texture. Okay, maybe some slight contrast. Okay, gets back to this. So as you see, it's already almost done. So what I want to do is to give a little more punch in the colors. So slightly moving up the calibration sliders. So as you see, we have a little more punchy, brighty colors in that picture for now, and I want to get rid of most of this yellow in the right hand side. I want this picture to just have three dominant colors: this ocean color of the shore, which is still a little too blue in my opinion, so I'm going to work on this in a minute, and green. So when I'm going to remove a little, or move this yellow colors to be a little more green. Like this. And now play a little with the saturation of this green part. Okay, something like this. All right, and maybe let's do final touches on this shore. We can do this either by playing with the haze, maybe slightly, and maybe playing a little more with blacks. Okay, I think that's it.